Hey guys, me and Alex are back with another episode of WTF.
So the last couple of episodes have been quite tight and the scores are now 5-3. So if you haven't seen any of those episodes, do go watch them. It's been really close. Kate was a few points behind and now she's only 2 with 2 episodes to go.
I'm creeping behind. The best bet for me is to get the next 2 as a win and then it'll be a tie.
Yeah.
That's the best way for me. Whereas...
And the best thing for me would just be to win either of these next 2 and I would
then
have won.
Right, do you want to open up?
Yeah, I'll open it. Today in the box is oh no, there is some other stuff. So, hello Kate and Alex. We would like to start by congratulating you both for last week's draw. You showed a lot of skills that could come in handy at some point in the future.
Some point in the future?
That's worrying,
What if we lose our thumbs?
Yeah. We know it's not Shrove Tuesday today, but that doesn't mean we can't make pancakes, right?
Right.
You've guessed it. This week you'll be doing the pancake challenge.
Yay! My favourite Alex's nightmare!
No!
But you had fun! We had actually done a pancake challenge before. But no, it's not because your Bart was excellent.
It wasn't. Both of you know how this works. We have given you 3 envelopes labelled 1 to 3 with the pictures inside.
You must open them in chronological order and draw the picture in pancake form. You will have 2 minutes from when you pull the picture out of the envelope to complete your masterpiece.
You have been sent an independent adjudicator who will judge the pancakes without knowing whose is who. The winner of each round will get 1 point, and as usual, most points wins.
Good luck, guys, WTF team. So we're not even deciding, and that's the thing. The other person might like the artistic elements of someone else's.
Yeah.
Who's the adjudicator? who's the adjudicator?
Do you know how to talk?
Who's the coming from you? The winner of each round will get 1 point, and as usual, most points win. Good luck, guys, the WTF team.
And do you know what we're gonna do this time? Because last time it wasn't so serious, there wasn't so much on the line. Last time we played this, Kate couldn't stick to the time limit. And she always had to have some extra time to finish off.
We will this time.
So this time we're gonna stick to the time limit and I might actually have a chance of winning.
The reason why I had to not stick to my time limit is because
you're so slow.
You hogged the things.
I didn't hog
and
the
on
things.
Bart Simpson,
You're so
I needed
slow.
yellow for the whole
She's
thing.
so slow.
Anyway, thingy worksman doesn't blame his tools.
I'm not blaming my tools.
Blaming the time.
No, you're the one who has anything to blame. I'm not blaming anything.
Okay, anyway, let's go get our things.
Right, here's our first. It is
Pikachu!
Pika Pika!
How cute.
He's pretty cool.
Okay.
He's a cool guy.
I almost didn't use the yellow, but there you go. See, actually, it is a bit better it being runnier, don't you think?
Yeah.
I'm just not happy with the shape of mine. Yeah, you know what colour yours in, that's good. Okay.
Stop.
Oh, stop me, stop.
I have stopped. Unlike you. Oh no, can I have a couple more minutes?
I'll give you 10 more seconds if you want.
No, I don't do you like that.
Okay. Mine's not great either, look at
Yeah, but at least you could probably tell yours is Pikachu. Mine looks like some kind of gremlin.
I think it's, your eyes just look hypnotised, don't they? Okay. And also, not only should we have our adjudicator, we should have people in the comments let us know. Here's my Pika.
Pika Pika. So the votes are in. The winner of the Pikachu pancake drawing contest was Kate. There you go, claim your prize.
Oh, good idea, keep that one. Thank you. Pikachu!
Apparently the judges said sometimes they look better on the other side. So they flipped it over and they said mine looked like the devil. So, and the next image is, who's this?
Hello Kitty!
So we've got to draw Hello Kitty.
Okay. Oh, I love Hello Kitty. What a classic. Now,
classic.
It looks quite simple, but actually, I think this is going to be a tricky
With
one.
pancake art, I'm not sure anything looks simple, so. 3, 2, 1.
We split up the black because we knew it's all about the time. Well, mine's...
What's hard is like doing the proportions.
Yeah. actually have nothing.
Whiskers.
How much time have we got? You're joking. Damn, son. Oh my god, we don't have enough. Oh. I'm literally not going to be able to pick that up. I'm not going to be able to pick that up.
Yeah, it's fine. It's the frame. It will hold, I think.
Oh, hello, kitty.
Don't you mean bye-bye, kitty?
Oh.
So even when Kate didn't finish hers, I only just won.
How? Okay.
Right, so it's 1-1, with one more still to go.
Yep. Oh no.
And the last thing is,
Oh.
this sunflower. This one's intricate.
Intricate,
I'm
yeah.
worried.
No, it's intricate. It's like a tattoo. 3, 2, 1, go.
Not working.
Yeah, 'cause that one's out. I would love to be really precise and neat here, but I'm realising the time. So I'm going to just do what I
Oh,
got.
I've done this way too big.
We get a bit of colour on if I don't have time, at least I've got the colour on. Yes!
3, 2.
I think my eyes are absolutely messed up, but that'll have to do. The fact you got a little bit of green on there is so
Yeah,
funny.
as I said, I got the proportions all wrong. So that's massive.
Yeah, your head's massive, isn't it? That'll be
Yeah,
cute
because
though.
I did like the smile so big, and then I had to.
Oh, did you start with the smile?
Well, I did the eyes and then the smile.
You can just tell. The last time we did this, yes, it was the challenge, but it wasn't really, you know, an absolute win or a lose.
Yeah.
Whereas this, there is a real win or lose,
Yeah.
and you could tell because we're not even talking.
It's because you're on my tail in this whole competition thing. You're right.
Oh, mine's not even on.
right
No
round the
wonder
corner.
my eyes are getting smudged. Mine wasn't even on.
Oh, rookie!
Oh,
Oh, no.
oh, that looks so sweet.
No, it doesn't. It looks like a monster.
No, what are those, Mr. Bumpy and that? What are they, Little Miss?
Oh, I bet they're going to say this looks like. Oh, I can't say it just in case they can hear me. Flip it, go. Oh my word. How does yours look so good?
It's not that good.
Yeah, but it looks so much like the real thing.
Do you know what I had wanted to do? I had even wanted to do the highlight there and there, but I
goodness
forgot
sake,
about it. I think yours looks so cute.
I just have no idea of proportion.
Yeah, you started with the mouth.
No, I didn't. I started
Oh,
with the
okay.
eyes, but then once I'd done the eyes, yeah, I think I'm gonna spray this with hairspray and mount it somewhere. The one time I did it all right. You choose who you prefer at home. Here we go.
You enjoyed doing this bit last time.
Yeah, because there's no competition to it.
Yeah. Are you doing a flower? Oh no, a lucky clover. You're gonna need that.
It's a 4-leaf clover.
Did I win? Oh, sorry, Al.
It's because mine was too big. Mine's like the elephant man of
I
sunflowers.
really do think, because at the first start you were like, oh, it's so detailed, but I reckon if you'd have done the proper proportion, you would have been with a good chance of
Yeah, but I
winning.
don't have the control and the... Oh, check that bad boy out.
Don't you go touching my crap.
No,
Doesn't
wait,
mine look cute?
There's a freestyle round. Here we go.
Doesn't that look cute?
Show this to the judges
Okay.
and whatever this is.
You are on one tonight.
Right.
Freestyle
Oh,
round.
you're still even gonna win. Look at that. Right, as if there was any doubt, Kate won that round.
I won that round.
2-1 with a pity
With
point.
a pity point?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Because you didn't even finish yours.
It makes it interesting though, don't you? Don't
Yeah,
you
well,
think?
it all rests on the last.
All rests on the last challenge. I'm looking forward to that. Are you looking forward to it?
I'm looking forward to it. I just hope it's something that's a bit more my style.
Let us know in the comments box down below who you think is going to win the whole entire series. WTF. I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and we will see you very soon. Bye.
See ya.